the thing people say we cannot do, right? So that's it, guys. And thank you, thank you. And there's the last video. My speech is done. You can ask questions after this. This is the 2012 version of the event participation, a short video of how it looks like, how it feels like. The whistle goes off. This is how it looks like. Half of the people are looking up, half of the people are swimming. This is the halfway turn-off point where you just get out and go back into the swim. See, all of them are black jerseys. Only me, I'm coming with nothing on my hands. That is me. That's just going down in the water. This is we come up, we got a shower over there, we just run through them. This is me coming in. Yeah, that's a cool down. See, this is how the other people. And this is the start of the cycling leg. We have the cycle parks over there, so whenever the people complete their swim, they come out and take out their cycles over here. And you are just supposed to start running. Some of them wear their shoes much earlier. I was wearing my shoes over here, and that corner is me. There is some other guy who just stopped looking at me and started wearing his shoes. As I showed you the climbing maps over here. This is how beautiful it looks like throughout the city. The people are cheering up for you. This was a photo taken by marathonpics.com. This is a wonderful DJ who kept us going for both 2 years. This is after the cycling lane. We are just coming down back now. This is me coming in over here. Look at those people. Everyone's so well dressed up, man. I am the only person with a flag altogether. My cycle back over there, I started running over here. That's me just passed off. That was my first loop. Okay? Okay, so after completing 20 kilometers, 2 laps of running, this is me coming in for my third loop start. Look at me, my legs are like full of blisters. That's a different story altogether. I started my marathon running with blisters in my legs. I started it with blisters, not had blisters while into the marathon. This is the last lap coming in, and I'm like, yeah, man, I can't walk, can't do anything. People are trying to cheer me up from the corner, if you see. Yeah, someone see these people are cheering up, come on, go. I said, no man, I'm dead. Okay, I can't even walk. Look at me, look at me. I'm like, my legs are gone. I suffered for 2 or 3 months after that. I could not walk properly after coming back from Ironman. This is how the finish line looks like. There are cheerleaders all around. Cheerleaders, the guys. They have this particular thing filled with air which they kind of keep beating, and that makes an awesome view over there. So among them I will be passing now anytime. This is how wonderful the finish line looks like. The finish line is the one for which I keep going. This is some other guy passed. Now this is where I am coming. You will see all the cheerleaders look bending over and cheering me up. Yay! Go, 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 man! Yes, that's me. Yes! With all the pain in the leg, I am still running and finish that run. And look at camera lady finished just behind me. And at the finish line, there you see me coming in. Yay! I'm so happy. I can't even stand, man. See, I can't even stand. My legs are so tired. Yes. come down and someone puts on the finisher medal on me over there. Yes. So it's basically credits to my sponsors, my training partners who have kind of trained me for my cycling. My running is like a standard video which is available on YouTube. I just kind of put it over here. These are the people who motivated me in a lot of ways from my Facebook friends. Many of you are my Facebook followers. Okay, and my Prima, which is my bike, which keeps me going all the time. Okay, if you want, that's my blog address, mycrazyrides.blogspot.com. That's the name, my crazy rider was the name someone gave me. And anyone who wants to join up with me, impossible is nothing. Telling you. Okay, so I can do it with a 15, 20 days, 1 month of training. Anyone of you can. Anyone of you thinking you can't do it, I'm the example for that. And thanks for watching. Thank you.
What do they give?
Okay, they provide something called gels, power gels, which are small pouches, very costly, comes in India for 150 bucks, a small pouch, 150 grams. They have carbs, protein, electrol mix, everything mixed in that, so comes in pretty handy, like you don't have to eat fruits or anything, it's just something with which you should just add some water.
It will be like jam essentially.
Yes, basically.
During cycling, you get hungry, right?
During cycling, yes, we get hungry, but we have the support stations throughout the cycling route. It's not like in the Chennai Ironman, where you have you carry your own stuff. They basically have the support stations every 20 kilometers. So they support you everything, and there will be people who will hand over the stuff, so you don't have to stop or anything. They supply you with coke, water, electrolytes, food, everything. Food means they will give you bananas, they will give you sandwiches.
That's an irrelevant question, but what bike did you have?
It's a Colnago Primo, it's a road bike.
Colnago what?
Colnago,
Colnago is a service company.
Colnago is a brand, company, Prima is its brand.
Do they give you salt and salt? They give you salt.
That's what I told the
Power failure.
Okay. They basically have the electrol bottles. Okay, like the same as water bottles, they will give you the electrol bottles which contain some kind of electron mix. Like Gatorade bottles you have, same something like that. Otherwise, the gels contain electrons.
You said about training, you were swimming. You said you were able to swim 500 meters, then the next day or after 2-3 days you swam 600 meters. And after
1.9.
how are you suddenly able to...
That's actually a swimming has... Hello? Swimming has got a lot to do with technique. Technique does not come into play that much in cycling or running, but it comes a lot into play in swimming because the amount of resistance that you have is too high in the water.
So did you check online or...
There are a lot of online things like Swim Smooth you have. Go follow them. They are one of the primary motivators, I would say.
So that was enough for you to improve that?
That was not only the enough thing because there are a lot of concepts which as in general training don't work with everyone. So there are some mixes which I got from other places, some personal understanding, some friends which have suggested. Mix of everything, yes, that's how it works. Yeah, it's something I have to try it out, or you have to kind of, I have to show it to you basically. I can't show it to you right now. Nothing else, anyone? Okay, thanks. That should be all. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for the wonderful, inspiring story. And now I would like to call upon Ruben to hand over the momentum. on to the next speaker.